Plan your outfits before you pack. Mix and match so every piece works twice. Roll, don't fold. Saves space and keeps clothes smooth. Use clear pouches for toiletries, airport-friendly and easy to find. Wrap cables and pack tech in one corner so nothing gets tangled. Keep essentials on top: passport, charger, and wallet. Check once, then once more. Light pack, clear mind. Always check in online. Print your tag if needed. Saves you from long lines and stress. Bring an empty bottle and fill it after security. Stay hydrated. Skip overpriced drinks. Screenshot your boarding pass. No signal needed. Then relax. Window seat mode on. First thing I do, light on, curtains open. A bright room instantly feels like home. Plug everything right away. Camera, phone, power bank. The earlier you charge, the less you forget. Bring a small humidifier and your favorite tea. Little comforts make every hotel room feel personal. Skip the hotel buffet. Find a local cafe where the morning crowd goes. That's where real city life starts. Put your phone away for a while. The best discoveries happen when you stop planning every step. Find where locals unwind. A park, a street corner, a sunset spot. That's where a city really tells its story. Good light makes good photos. Move around. Don't chase the subject, chase the sunlight. Look for frames, windows, mirrors, puddles, doorways. They tell a story inside your photo. Don't wait for perfect poses. Wait for real moments. That's what makes a picture alive. Book early, but smart. Use flexible dates and flight comparison tools. The difference can fund your next meal. Street food isn't just cheaper, it's more authentic. Eat where the locals line up, not where the tourists sit. Look for free walking tours or city passes. You'll see more, spend less, and learn what Google can't tell you. Always keep your valuables close and visible. Crowds are fun, but awareness keeps your trip stress-free. Share your location with someone you trust and use apps for check-ins. Small habits, big peace of mind. Listen to your gut. If something feels off, step away, change route, or ask locals. Safety first. Scout your evening spots before heading out. Knowing where to go saves time and maximizes the vibe. Always keep your phone charged and apps ready. Check routes and ride options. Safety first, fun always. Evening lights create magic. Capture the moment, not just the place. It's what makes your memories vivid. Respect local customs. Dress appropriately, observe quietly, and blend in. Small gestures go a long way. Be polite and patient when interacting with locals. A smile and basic greetings open more doors than any guidebook. Ask before photographing people in sacred places. Respectful travel creates authentic memories and trust.